Hello everyone, welcome to Data Empires. In this session of data recovery training, we will discuss about the data recovery of the latest WD hard disk, named WD My Passport. Friends, the latest version of the WD My Passport hard disk is Charger family version. There comes many firmware related problems in the hard disks of this family. Generally, due to firmware problems, the hard disk is not detected in the system. And if it gets detected, then it performs very slowly, due to which the system gets hang. Many times the drive gets detected in the device manager, but it doesn't open in the disk management. When we open this hard disk casing, then we find this type of drive inside. A 3.0 USB connector is connected on the PCB, and this is the PCB of the hard disk. We have already discussed during electronic failure training that, in the hard disk of Charger family, the MCU has been locked by the manufacturers. And therefore, to get the backup of ROM and firmware in this hard disk, we require this type of unlocked SATA PCB. On this SATA PCB, the MCU is unlocked. And by using this PCB, we can take the backup of firmware by the help of advanced firmware tools.